Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through how to remove that Made in Webflow badge from your Webflow website using custom code. If you've been building out your site and you want it looking as clean and professional as possible, removing that little footer badge can make a huge difference in how your brand is perceived. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to give your site that polished, white label finish that looks totally pro. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Webflow dashboard and select the project you're working on. Once you're there, look for the Site Settings option. You'll usually find this near the top or left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Go ahead and click in. Now, it might feel a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry. Navigating your site settings is super straightforward once you get the hang of it, and you won't be breaking anything by exploring these menus. Inside Site Settings, you'll want to choose the General tab. This is where all the basic configuration options for your site live, things like your site name, favicon, and of course, Webflow branding options. Give yourself a moment here if it's your first time. It's always a good idea to get familiar with where things are. Scroll down slowly until you spot an option labeled Webflow Branding. This is typically under a section that handles site credits and publisher details. Here you'll notice the setting that controls that Made in Webflow badge that's been appearing on your published site. This badge, by default, is visible to everyone who visits your pages, letting people know your site was built with Webflow. That's great for Webflow, but if you're looking to showcase your brand without any outside branding, this next step is for you. Now, right below the Webflow branding section, you should see a toggle or checkbox for displaying the Made in Webflow badge. Switching this option off will immediately remove the badge from appearing on your live site. It's kind of like taking a sticker off a new laptop. Suddenly it feels more like yours. Just a quick note here, if you don't see this option, don't worry. Sometimes it's grayed out or not clickable. That's because removing the badge is only available to users who have an active paid site plan on Webflow. So if you're on the free plan and don't see the option, that's likely the reason. You'll need to upgrade to unlock this feature. Once you've toggled off the badge, make sure you scroll down and hit Save Changes. This part is really important. Think of it as clicking Save on a document. If you skip it, your changes won't stick. You might need to wait a few seconds while Webflow processes your update, especially if there are other settings being changed. All that's left now is to publish your site. Head back and select the Publish option either through the site settings or straight from the designer. This pushes all your changes live, and the next time you or anyone else visits your site, that Made in Webflow badge should be completely gone. Just like that, your website looks even more polished and professional. And that's all there is to it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into a hiccup, let me know in the comments. I'm always here to help. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.